Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Workzone, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-size. Teams offers everything and unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Workzone is a project management solution known for its user-friendly interface and robust project tracking capabilities. It offers features such as Project Dashboard, which includes to-do lists, Gantt chart, status alerts, project templates, and more. While document sharing includes secure file sharing, image markup, email alerts, and more. Workzone also offers personalization and security with integration features. In terms of pricing, Workzone offers a team plan priced at $24. The second professional plan is priced at $34. For organizations requiring advanced control, an enterprise plan with custom pricing is available. Every plan includes unlimited training and support. In summary, both ClickUp and Workzone offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature, richness, and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if you value simplicity, intuitive project organization, and customizable project dashboards, Workzone could be the ideal solution for your project management needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.